The introduction of Sarah. Roxy on the left. And there's Layla on the left and Roxy on the right. And there's Charlie. And there's Sarah. The big ferocious pit bull. Great! Terrifying. Absolutely terrifying.
They're everywhere.
The attack of the Munchkins. And that's my sister. There's Tom. There's my niece. Poor Sarah. Sarah, it's okay. It's all right.
Beeline for her kiddo. Like, why is the door shut, Jim? Like, I need that door open. I need my safe space.
Come on, Sarah. Come on, baby girl.
Sarah says, I'm just fine in here. These little critters scare me.
Layla, quit barking. You just want to play. Oh, Sarah, come on. Roxy needs a playmate.
Come here. It's okay. They're just talking.
They're big mouths.
I have the most ferocious ferocious boot ball. Well, she is that.
Oh, yeah. I got you. I'm protecting you. I'm protecting you. I'm protecting you. Easy, easies, easies, easies. Hi. Hi. I know. Hi. Hi.
Layla, you're barking at her.
Easy, girl.
Trying to get her to
Easy,
play.
easy, baby. Easy, easy little bit. Easy bit of lit.